Hello YouTube, welcome to another edition of Lori's Thrifty Kitchen Pantry. If you are new, welcome. I'm happy to have you here today. If you like what you see, please hit that subscribe button along with the notification bell so you will get notified when I put new videos out. And if you are already a returning subscriber, welcome back. I'm so happy to see you back again. So first of all, I'm sorry for the shaky phone. My tripod's in a different room and I just didn't feel like getting up to go get it to do this quick video. I just want to give you all an update on everything that happened today. So I started out with a nurse visit for home health. I really liked her a lot. She will be sending her aides out to help take care of me starting on Monday. I then when I actually fixed a box of macaroni and cheese for my lunch. I made sure I had everything out before I even started, and then I sat on the walker seat right by the stove, so I kept everything safe, and it actually went pretty well. I wore myself out, but I did get the macaroni and cheese fixed. So I took a short nap after that, and then I had a visit from therapy and occupational therapy, and was completely worn out after that. I had to clean the refrigerator out because tomorrow is trash day. My neighbor next door came and picked my trash up and got my trash out for me, but I did have to clean the fridge out. And then I took another short nap, and then I started getting hungry, and thankfully I remembered all of the soups from September that I had canned up. So I was able to fix a bowl of split pea and ham soup for my supper tonight. All I had to do was get it in the bowl and heat it up in the microwave. So I am so thankful that I had all those soups done. So it's been a very long, very tiring day. Tomorrow will be another long day. My meals from the insurance comes tomorrow. My lift chair comes tomorrow. I am so excited for that. My shower chair comes tomorrow, so Monday when my aides come out to help me, I will actually be able to get the first shower I will have had in over a month. So I am super excited and cannot wait to get a shower on Monday. What else comes on Monday? Oh, not Monday, tomorrow, my emergency button watch comes tomorrow, so I will be able to get that all set up. So if there's ever another emergency, all I will have to do is push the button on my watch and they will call everyone out for me. So I am really excited to have that come tomorrow as well. So tomorrow is going to be another very busy day. I am going to bed early tonight. But I just wanted to let you all know what is going on. I'm still contemplating on whether I should call an attorney or not from the home health fiasco or the rehab fiasco from a few weeks ago. Everyone is telling me I need to do that, so I may do that tomorrow. And I also need to call and get my disability reinstated. I was told I will need at least 5 to 6 weeks of therapy before I can get back on my feet and get my life back. And by then it will be summer and school will be out, so I will be out of a job until fall. So I will work tomorrow in between deliveries on getting my disability reinstated so I have an income coming in. So thank you all for your prayers and your support. That means more to me than what you guys realize. So you have been such a blessing to me. Thank you to Uncle Al for helping me support my channel and keep my channel going. Thank you from the bottom of my heart for that. Just thank you all. I love you all so much. I hope you're having a great week. Stay safe, stay happy, be blessed, and I will see you all on the next video. Bye.